Introduction to the high-fat carnivore diet. The high-fat carnivore diet has gained popularity in recent years as a way to improve health and lose weight. As the name suggests, this diet focuses on consuming high amounts of fat and protein while minimizing carbohydrates. In this article, we will delve into the science behind the high-fat carnivore diet, exploring its benefits and debunking some of the myths surrounding it. Understanding the science behind the high-fat carnivore diet. The high-fat carnivore diet is based on the principle that our bodies are designed to primarily run on fat as a source of fuel. When we consume carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which is then used as energy. However, when we limit our carbohydrate intake, our bodies switch to using fat as the primary source of energy. This process is known as ketosis. During ketosis, the liver produces ketones, which are molecules that serve as an alternative fuel source for the body and brain. This metabolic state has been shown to have numerous health benefits, such as improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, and reduced inflammation. Additionally, the high-fat content of the diet helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to adhere to the diet long-term. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Is a high-fat carnivore diet healthy? One of the most common concerns surrounding the high-fat carnivore diet is its potential impact on heart health. Since this diet emphasizes consuming high amounts of saturated fat from animal sources, some worry that it may increase the risk of heart disease. However, numerous studies have shown that there is no significant association between saturated fat intake and heart disease risk. In fact, some research suggests that a high-fat carnivore diet may actually improve heart health by reducing triglyceride levels and increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol. It's important to note that not all fats are created equal. While the high-fat carnivore diet encourages the consumption of saturated fats, it is equally important to prioritize sources of healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish. These fats contain essential omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving brain function. Benefits of a high-fat carnivore diet. The high-fat carnivore diet has been touted for its numerous health benefits. One of the main advantages of this diet is its ability to promote weight loss. By limiting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body is forced to burn fat for fuel, leading to a more efficient fat-burning process. Additionally, the high-fat content of the diet helps to keep you feeling satiated, reducing cravings and the desire to overeat. Another benefit of the high-fat carnivore diet is its potential to improve mental clarity and focus. When the body is in a state of ketosis, ketones are utilized by the brain as an energy source. This can lead to increased mental sharpness and improved cognitive function. Additionally, the high-fat carnivore diet has been shown to have positive effects on blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. By limiting carbohydrate intake, blood sugar levels remain stable throughout the day, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Debunking the myths surrounding the high-fat carnivore diet. Despite the growing popularity of the high-fat carnivore diet, there are still many myths and misconceptions surrounding it. One common misconception is that a high-fat carnivore diet is devoid of nutrients and may lead to nutrient deficiencies. However, when properly planned, a high-fat carnivore diet can provide all the necessary vitamins and minerals the body needs, including a variety of animal-based fats, such as grass-fed butter, eggs, and fatty cuts of meat, can ensure an adequate intake of essential nutrients. Another myth surrounding the high-fat carnivore diet is that it may lead to an increased risk of certain diseases, such as cancer. However, research on the relationship between fat intake and cancer risk is inconclusive. While some studies suggest a potential association between high-fat diets and certain types of cancer, others have found no significant link. It's important to remember that a balanced and varied diet, along with other lifestyle factors, plays a crucial role in overall health and disease prevention. High-fat foods for a carnivore diet. When following a high-fat carnivore diet, it's important to choose high-quality sources of fat. Animal-based fats are the mainstay of this diet, and they provide essential nutrients and energy. Some examples of high-fat foods for a carnivore diet include grass-fed beef, fatty cuts of pork, chicken thighs with the skin, bacon, and organ meats like liver. These foods are not only rich in fat, but they also provide important vitamins and minerals. In addition to animal-based fats, there are also plant-based sources of healthy fats that can be incorporated into a high-fat carnivore diet. Avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts like macadamia nuts and almonds are excellent sources of healthy fats that can complement the animal-based fats in this diet. Creating a high-fat carnivore diet meal plan. Creating a high-fat carnivore diet meal plan can be a straightforward process once you understand the principles of the diet. The key is to prioritize high-quality animal-based fats and protein sources while minimizing carbohydrate intake. A typical day on a high-fat carnivore diet might include eggs cooked in butter for breakfast, a large salad with fatty cuts of meat for lunch, and a grilled steak or salmon fillet with a side of vegetables cooked in olive oil for dinner. Snacks on a high-fat carnivore diet can include small portions of nuts or cheese, and beverages can include water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Tips for success on a high-fat carnivore diet. To ensure success on a high-fat carnivore diet, it's important to keep a few tips in mind. First, listen to your body and adjust your fat intake accordingly. While the high-fat carnivore diet encourages consuming ample fat, it's important to find the right balance for your individual needs. Some people may thrive on higher fat intake, while others may require slightly less. Second, focus on quality sources of fat and protein. Choosing grass-fed, organic, and sustainably sourced animal products will ensure that you are getting the highest quality nutrients and avoiding unnecessary additives or toxins. Lastly, be mindful of your body's response to the diet. While the high-fat carnivore diet can have numerous benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you experience any negative symptoms or health issues, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your individual needs. Potential risks and considerations of a high-fat carnivore diet. While the high-fat carnivore diet has its benefits, it's important to consider the potential risks and limitations as well. One potential risk of this diet is the potential for nutrient deficiencies if not properly planned. While animal-based fats and proteins are nutrient-dense, it's important to ensure a varied intake of different types of fats and protein sources to meet all nutritional needs. Another consideration is the long-term sustainability of the diet. While the high-fat carnivore diet can lead to initial weight loss and improved health markers, it may not be a sustainable long-term approach for everyone. It's important to find a balance that works for your individual needs and lifestyle. Conclusion: is the high-fat carnivore diet right for you? The high-fat carnivore diet can be a powerful tool for weight loss, improved mental clarity, and overall health. By understanding the science behind the diet and debunking the myths surrounding it, you can make an informed decision about whether it is the right approach for you. If you are considering trying the high-fat carnivore diet, it's important to do your research, consult with a healthcare professional, and listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs are unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. With the right approach and attention to quality sources of fat and protein, the high-fat carnivore diet can be a sustainable and effective way to achieve your health and wellness goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you may have.